Hello and welcome to the presentation of DIY 3D printer. The first clip displays the printing of an inscribed circle. This was the first version of a printer, without a heated bed and cooler mask. Here is the electronics that drive the Z-axis, along with the motor and main control unit. Here is a model of glass holder for heat bed, made in CAD program. It was later installed on the printer itself. We can see the model warping on the edges because of the fast cooling of plastics. This is printing of a storage box with holes in its walls, making it harder to print than a regular box. Now, the heat bed is added to the 3D printer, which is eliminating warped edges from the bottom side of the model. Also, a cooler mask is added to direct the airflow to the tip of the extruder, cooling extruded plastic. Printed cogs are tested on the drill. The teeth are made of only one layer of thin plastic printed with 0.2 mm nozzle, but are very durable. Now, we are testing if the cog is bent in an oval shape. As there are no visual oscillations at high speeds, it passes the test. And finally, the finished model of a 3D printer. Here is the screen for which the holders were made earlier in the video. And here are the glass holders made in CAD, also showed earlier in video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.